Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add a payment method to system.io. So let's jump into it. So first what you want to do is go to the system.io dashboard. To do that, obviously create your account and it should take you here. Now once you are in the dashboard, you want to go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then head over to settings. So once you are on settings, you will then be taken to this page. From here, you want to go ahead and go to payment gateways. Now on payment gateways, you can add all of these different payment methods which are currently compatible with system.io. The most common two are going to be Stripe and PayPal, but you can also add these alternatives as well. So I have already got my PayPal account added. So to add a payment method, you would just click on the connect button next to the payment method you want to add. So let's say we want to connect Stripe. It will take me to this window where I can and then enter in my Stripe email, enter in my Stripe password, and I can then connect to my Stripe account to system.io. Now I have got individual tutorials showing you how to connect different payment methods including Stripe and PayPal, which I will link in the description below on how you can do it too.